Hello and welcome aboard. I am Rick Seehausen, the CEO of Lender Live, and I just wanted to say a few words to welcome you to our company. What a great time it is as we're experiencing unprecedented growth. The company has a long history serving financial institutions of all sizes. We've got some marquee clients that we're bringing on board here right now.
Exploding pigeon!
Oh my god! Yes!
Oh my god.
Are you that woman from Monsters Inc?
Roz?
No, I meant the little one that dresses up like a monster.
Oh, right.
Oh, boo.
Well, that was scary.
In 1,000 years. Hey, funny, it's all about a distant memory. Slowly easing down onto a cucumber. And would you like those buffalo wings mild hot or free ice cream, yo?
I wish I was a dinosaur because then I'd be extinct.
Good.
Okay, I'm done with this.